Do this if you want to start making up to $15 per client for a logo, and imagine you getting up to 10 clients in a day, meaning you're making up to $150. And if you're going to multiply that by 31, which is basically a month, you're making up to $4,650. And all you have to do is completely free and cost you absolutely zero. First things first, head to the site chat.openai.com, type it like this on your web browser, so it's going to take you directly inside ChatGPT. Now, once you're here already, you would have a client that's going to describe all what they want for their logo, the type of business they run, the type of pattern they want in their logo. Once you actually attain all this information, simply come here to chat and paste every single thing the client has actually asked for. So for example, let's say I have a client named Aisha. She reached out to me and said she wants a logo for the cooking business. So as you guys can see here, all I am going to do, which is basically what you're going to do, is to come here and type in generate me a high hooking, that is a logo that's going to catch people's attention, cooking business logo, and then you want to insert the name of that particular business, Aisha Cooking Empire, and use a chef as the icon and show the chef holding a cooking spoon and more of a pink color logo. These are basically what the client is going to give you, and basically what you also need to ask for you to generate a very good logo using chat. And now once you're finally done inserting all the information your client is giving you, simply enter and then wait for chat to do its magic. And as you guys can see, in less than a minute, chat has actually generated something very hooking. Imagine me sending this to Aisha. Obviously she's going to be so amazed and so happy about it, and it took me absolutely less than a minute to create. So imagine you having up to 10 clients or even more every single day, and you're charging them $15 or even more. The higher you go, the higher you can actually charge. Man, this is absolutely beautiful. So this is how to go about it, and for you to simply download it, just come here to download it, and do not forget to re-edit the name, change it from chat to actually the name of the client. I'm going to edit this to Aisha logo, and then from there you can send it to them as a picture. Okay, and that's basically how it works. You guys can actually try this out, and do not forget to drop down a comment on what you guys think about this, and also feel free to subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in our next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.